Our bag tags are definitely a popular item here at Odin Leather Goods. We sell a Texas version and a USA version. Obviously, we're a little partial to Texas around these parts. But these are definitely an easy gift to give to someone else, or great for your own personal use for when you travel. Our blank ones, yes, people are surprised to know, yes, you can write on these with a ballpoint pen or maybe a fine point Sharpie. Works very well, and it does not rub off, and you will not damage the leather. You can definitely write on those, or if you want to get really fancy, we can laser engrave the information on there for you. There's an option for both of those on our website, and where you can send your information and we can laser engrave that information on there. So you can easily identify your bag when it comes off the conveyor belt. And if God forbid you're traveling and somebody grabs your bag on accident, now they have your information to contact you and make sure your bag gets back to you. So great for yourself and great for a gift for the other travelers in your life.